And now we want to make our resume more complete by adding our software skills. To do this, I want to use PowerPoint shapes again. For the title part of software skills, I want to use the same graphic design that we made in the previous parts. I select it by pressing Ctrl+C. I will copy it and put it in the appropriate place. For a more detailed design, I will zoom in on this part of the slide and type the words software skills in this part. To change the icon, just right-click on the icon and in the section Change Picture and this device, I will put the corresponding icon that I downloaded earlier. Now I want to use PowerPoint shapes for this part. I will select the circle shape and by holding the Shift key, I will draw a circle shape. I set the outline value to no and in the Shape Fill section, I select the navy color. Now again, I make a copy of this same shape by pressing Ctrl+D and I change the value of the shape fill to white. And by holding the Shift key, I make its size smaller and here it is necessary to make the navy circle a bit bigger and select both shapes again by clicking Align Center and Align Middle, which will place the two shapes in the center. And again I zoom a little more and for a more accurate design. Now I want to show my mastery of the PowerPoint software here. From the Insert, Change Picture and this device sections, I will insert the PowerPoint software icon that I have already downloaded into the PowerPoint slides and make it smaller. And here I will zoom in on the slide again and now we can type the name of the software using the text box. I select the text, change its color to the same color as the software icon and make it smaller so that it fits here. And then again from the Insert and Shape section, I draw the circle shape here and I want to put some smaller circles in this space of my navy colored shape. I set the outline value to no, I make the shape fill white and then I cover this empty part with these circles. Now I want to show that I'm 100% proficient in PowerPoint software. And now I select all these white circles and in the Shape Fill section, I select the orange color so that they are completely filled. I can insert text from the Insert and Text box. I type the word 100% here. I make it orange, I make it smaller, and I put it in the appropriate place. Now I can select all these shapes and press Ctrl+G to group them together. Now I copy the same design that we made here with the help of PowerPoint shapes and use other software to show my mastery. And in this way, I was able to creatively show the degree of mastery of different software only with the help of PowerPoint shapes.